Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel and this is your third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you are a sun, moon, rising, any sign is Gemini, this reading is for you. If you're looking for a monthly reading, that's already uploaded on my channel. If you would like to book any reading or session with me, wait till the end and I will give you more information. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. For your love life, you've got the Eight of Moons and the Empress. I do see that there are a lot of people who are single out there who are in this very fearful energy of what is to come next in their life. Like, am I ever gonna get married? Am I ever going to get the right person or not? You are very fearful. You are also very doubtful about your future, about this thing happening. Well, let me tell you, it is just your standards. It's nothing like you're not going to find a soulmate or there's no soulmate for you. It's nothing like that. It's just that girl or boy, whoever is watching this, you have a very high standard, okay? Till the time you don't meet a person who will meet those standards with you, for you, make efforts, chase you, be a better person, be in a better energy. Till the time, I don't think you're going to accept anyone's offer. I do see offers coming your way. I do see, but it's like good for nothing for you because they're not up to the mark for you. You have really high standards. You want them to be a certain way, uh, be a better person, most importantly, then have a good background, looks, whatever your criteria is. Till the time you don't meet the right person who matches your vibration, your vibes, I don't think you're going to say yes to anyone. So yes, I don't think it's a problem in your birth chart or your future or your destiny. There is somebody who's meant for you, but they also have to be good for you, right? Worthy of you. So definitely you will have to wait a little longer, but do not give up hope. Okay, do not think like, oh my god, I don't think there's anyone who's meant for me or not, right? I do see that if you're trying to win someone back, if this is a breakup or a reconciliation, that person, your partner, has a high standard, okay, or you have a high standard. So either you will have to make efforts to chase them back into your life, or they will have to make the effort to chase you back into their life. Otherwise, this reconciliation will not happen. Other than that, I do see that in marriage also you have very high standards. So till the time your spouse is not giving you the kind of attention and love you deserve and want, probably your fear will stay with you and this relationship will be like wobbly wobbly. Okay, so make sure that you and your partner knows that they have to make the effort if this is you or it is them. Efforts need to be made, vibrations have to be raised, and standards have to be met to be with a person like you. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Seven of Spades and the Fortitude card. Beautiful cards to have. I do see a lot of success and abundance coming your way. At least you're hoping for it to come your way eventually. I also see that you're laying foundation for something which might happen in a few years, which is like a promotion, a raise, a bonus. You know that you have to work hard and you're ready for it. I do see you working hard with a lot of strength, courage, giving the extra hours, giving the extra efforts in your work life. And I also see that this will give you a lot of power. So this week you can expect a lot of power and authority coming your way, people listening to you, obeying your orders, you giving a team which you have to manage. So all this can definitely happen for you. A lot of success and abundance, your career looks great and your love life also is good because you are in that Empress energy. So keep on being in that energy because eventually you will attract the right partner for you. Okay, so this is a quite, I would say this is quite a positive reading. So if you would like to claim the positive energies of this reading, do comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that this energy manifests faster for you. Also, if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any personal readings, you have any questions in your mind, you need clarifications about this or any other area of your life, you can book a personal reading. I do personal readings as well. And I also do rituals. So 12th May is the time of full moon, a powerful time to do any ritual. So try and book your rituals beforehand. Two kinds of rituals are available. Everything is mentioned in my bio and description box, by the way, but I'll still say it. Blockage removal ritual to remove any blockages from any particular area of your life that you want, love, career, health, anything. Or second is manifestation bay leaf ritual where you can manifest your desires, one, two, three, any depending upon what you want to choose. Thirdly, I do have different packages available, love packages who are, for people who are in relationship, situationship or married. For singles, there's a different package as to what is blocking you, why are you still single, right? What is really going wrong, and so that we can correct it. And third is career packages for people who really want to know about everything about their career. So three different packages are available, and every package has a free remedy that I will give it to you so that you can help remove the blockages, whatever is blocking your growth in your life. And yes, very cheap rituals. You can check out the prices as well. And lastly, I take counseling sessions as well. So if you or anybody else that you know is struggling in life, they need a guidance, they have a very heavy heart, they're not opening up to anyone, or they have very deep, dark secrets they're not able to share with anyone because of shame or fear of being judged, then you can come to me, you can share your burdens with me. I will unbiasedly, without judging you, listen to your problems, guide you, mentor you, give you positivity, and also with the help of your angels again, give you a remedy so that more positivity can come into your life. All right. To book any kind of session with me, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. You can check out the spelling in the description box or bio. Or secondly, you can also directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, because you will know all such details on a daily basis from there. Here, I'll only come to see you weekly and monthly, but there on a daily basis, you know the prices, you know about the rituals, when to do, what not to do, and everything over there. Okay. So thank you for watching my channel. Take care of yourself. I would love to hear from you very, very soon. Bye bye.